Alright boys, so today is going to be a pretty fun video. I'm doing a ride along with this kid that I met at Chick-fil-A like probably about a month ago. I was like parked right here, right outside the restaurant to get my food, and then this kid comes out. He's got his phone in his hand. He's like, "Oh bro, can I take a picture of your car?" And I was like, yeah, of course, you know. And then I let him take a picture of the car, and then we kind of talked a little bit, and then followed him back on Instagram. He's a huge fan of Corvettes, and especially the Z06, which I have. But mine has a couple little extra goodies, a little bit louder and faster than the regular Z06. So I think we're gonna have a fun day today. He's gonna love this shit, I guarantee you. So what do you think the fastest car you've ever been in?
Fastest one yet? My friend has a Hellcat Red Eye.
Yeah.
Probably that one.
Those are pretty fast.
Yeah, but he doesn't really like step on it like way too much. So I've been in a Z06 before, but the older one.
Yeah.
The C6 one. Other than that, my cousin, I think I showed you his page before maybe. Yeah. He has a RT. Oh, one of my friends, he recently got a Z01, but I haven't been in it yet. He said he makes like 800 to the wheels, but I haven't been in that one yet.
The Z01 or
Yeah. Z01.
Oh, the Camaros? Yeah. My tuner has a Camaro, it makes like 900,000. It's crazy, dude. Like, my car's fast, but there's a lot of really fast cars out there.
I was thinking for high school I might get like a little Civic and try to boost it or something. Maybe.
Yeah. I've raced a boosted Civic before when I was stuck, and it kept up with me.
Bro?
Yeah. It had a big turbo on it.
What cars have beaten you like bad? Say.
Have beaten me?
Yeah.
So I raced a pretty fast Hellcat the other day. It had like full drag pack, making like over 800 to the wheels.
Oh my god.
Beat me by like 0.02 of a second. So
Okay.
like we were like literally side by side.
Oh, that was at the track.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was the first time I raced anybody with my car since I got all the extra mods and stuff.
Okay.
But I've raced a Ferrari F8 Tributo.
Damn.
It had downpipes in the tune, and it was making like 860. And I raced that when I was out in California. All I had was a intake and tune, E50 blend, and I pretty much walked it.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Bro. Oh my jeez. There's no way. The car should be this fast. There's no way. to work at the track over there.
Really? Hell yeah, dude.
There's a lot of stuck up people there though.
Really?
Car guys, yeah. Actually, because I see a lot of car guys go through Chick-fil-A. I used to take pictures. They were like, nah, no. I'm like, all right. Asshole.
Want to get one now?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one for sure.
Is that pretty fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna make mine faster than yours though.
Okay.
Nah. Thank you, man. Once again.
Well, boys, that's what it's all about right there. Making a kid's day. High school kid. Working at Chick-fil-A. Now he just rode in a 700 horsepower Z06. Got him hooked now. Let him rev the car a little bit. This is the kind of stuff I like to do. Making people happy, making people smile, keeping people that are interested in cars interested in them, you know. Electric cars are cool and all that shit. It ain't nothing like that chop, baby. Ain't nothing like it. He's probably gonna go home, tell his friends, tell his dad about that. Tell his dad, go get a Z06 right now. So he actually is going to school for what I do as a career right now. So that's actually really cool. Maybe that'll give him some motivation to get through with school and getting that good job so he can get one of these cars. I think it will. Because that's what motivated me really is my dad got me into cars literally before I was even a year old. I think we went to Houston Raceway Park for my first time when I was 9 months old. So like, I don't know, it's just in my blood, it's in my genes. He already messaged me and said thank you once again. Can't wait to get mine so we can cruise and race. This shit can happen. It happened for me, it can happen for anyone. I mean, I'm not even like a rich person. But I work hard, built my credit up, got a good job, and I'm able to get, you know, my dream car, Corvette. And I can see he's definitely gonna do the same thing. I have no doubt about it. He's gonna for sure do it. And then when he does, I'll still be here right in Baytown with my Corvette. I'll go right along, go to cruises and shit. I mean, he works at Chick-fil-A right now. He's in high school. I mean, that's all really you can really do is work at a fast food place or work at like Home Depot. I worked at McDonald's for like 3 years. And then it'll always be these really cool cars come through the drive-thru. And a lot of the times they'd be pretty nice about it. But I always make sure when I go to the drive-thrus, I know there's going to be that same kid in there in that fast food joint seeing all these cool cars come through, and he's gonna want to be inspired and motivated, and that's what I like to do. And I'm still trying to get to a certain point in life myself, but I feel like I'm on the way there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.